welcome back to my channel, Redline Mods. Thanks for tuning back in. This video is going to be on shifting using the paddle shifters. The left side downshifting, the right side upshifting. There you go. And so pretty much plus and minus, you'll see it on there. So shifting usually anywhere from 3,000 RPM to 4,000 RPM, unless you want to get close to redlining it. But depending on what vehicle you got and the power you're running, so that all comes into factor as well. And I'm just gonna focus the camera on the speedometer, and you'll see the gears right by the D is. Once you hit the paddle, the shifters on the right, and then that should switch you automatically what gear you should be in. And then if you wanted to give it a little boost or whatever, you can always downshift and then hit the gas and then upshift. So usually around there, you want to shift like now, pretty much. If you had an exhaust system, of course, that would tell you, if you had an exhaust, you could hear it by screaming pretty much. It just gets louder. It's like,
more feedback.
Yeah, you get like pretty much. And then you would shift it up. And then it will slow down. First, you want to hit the brakes slightly, and then as you drop down the speed, once you drop down the speed a little bit, then you can hit the downshift it, and then it should be good from there. Yeah, so he's at 4,000 RPM right now on fourth gear. But if you're trying to keep it like cruising and smooth, you would just upshift it and then keep it there. As you'll hear less RPM noise pretty much. And that'll be, well, now he's at 60 something, so you might want to jump it to 6. But as you slow down, you can, every time you slow down possibly like 10, 15 miles per hour, you can downshift it then. So you don't want to be in fourth gear and be at 65.
Yeah, that's what you don't want.
You don't want that.
You want to make sure, it's got a lot of gears, so you can go up a little bit of a higher gear.
Yep.
Change a little more often. You want to hear it blowing up too long. As you slow down too.
And I tried learning how to cancel getting out of the paddle shifters. I didn't find a way. If you guys know, comment below, let us know. But there's another way of just pressing the sport button.
Just toggle sport on and off.
Yeah, just turn it on and off, and then that will clear it, and then you'll be like driving automatically then. But again, while you're driving or whatever, you want to go to paddle shifters, just hit the plus shifters, and you should be good to go from there. I would say just go drive slowly, go slow, and then you want to shift. Now, see, it's a perfect timing. You'll feel it when you shift it at the right time. It takes some time to learn it, but once you know, you can do it without looking at it. You will just shift by the sound. Be like, all right, it's time to shift it up. See, now he's in 6, and this is perfect.
And easy to cruise.
And you see he's at like 3,000 now.
Especially if you're not on it too much.
Yeah. So this is perfect, keeping the RPM around 25 to 3,000, and while you're cruising at 65 or 70. And you don't want to downshift that right away. As you slow down to like 50 or 40 miles per hour, then you downshift it to 5. And then when you try to pick up the speed, and if it's not picking up the speed, that means you need to downshift one more to 4, and then it will start to gain speed. And again, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I appreciate support. And stay tuned. Keep watching for awesome content coming up. The 2.0 is going to be a unique and different build. That's why it's taking a little bit of time. But yep, that's it, guys. Peace out. Until next time.